Hello everybody, this is Andrea Del Rosario. As you can see, nandito po ako sa isang house. This was my first house. Guys. Alright, so this is a 3-bedroom house. Ito po yung una kong bahay na binili nung naging artista ako. And, okay, I'll give you a tour and I'll explain to you the story of this house. Come on. This is the sala. So, meron pa siyang ganyan. O, diba? Alright. So, before, this was dilapidated. Sirang-sira siya. So, pinapalitan ko lahat ng mga windows. See? Pinapalitan ko lahat para maging modern. This used to be pabilog. Now, pina-square ko so it will look a little bit modern. And then, but some things I kept. This is the kitchen. Where we're standing right now, this is the dining. And then it goes to the garden. But I will show you first the 2 bedrooms. First bedroom. Ooh, so dark. First bedroom. And then, first bedroom. I have old cabinets, but I might replace this. Naisip ko ba? We'll see. We'll think about it. Then, we have another bedroom. Another bedroom with this much cabinets. Alright, and then, there's a bathroom here that they share. And then, masters. With a bathroom. Okay, now, the best part, which is my favorite part. The garden. The garden. Alright. So, as you can see, malaki yung gardens. I love it so much. So, look. Look, till there. There. Alright, guys. So, this is my house before. So, the story of this house was I had it renovated before. Pero yung renovation was just inside. And then, naloko pa po ako ng contractor. So, tip is to really know your contractor first. Sana magtanong muna kayo ng maigi, preferably ginamit na ng mga kaibigan nyo, na makikita nyo yung bahay nila, kung ano yung pagkakagawa ng bahay nila, to be sure. That's number 1. Number 2, tignan nyo yung lisensya kung totoo bang kung totoo silang engineer or nagpapaka-engineer lang. And yeah, before you give down payments, make sure that they have the right papers, and don't give your money, all your money just yet. Give 30%, 30%, 30%, and 10%. That's what I did sa iba, but this one, I didn't do that. And I trusted him. I gave him the keys. Pagbalik ko, palpak. So ngayon, instead of matuwa ako at may nagawa, we had to redo it all over again. I had to call another contractor to redo everything na mas magiging mahal. So, that's the tip. And yeah, and when you have an old house, check first your roof, which is the most important thing of sa isang bahay. Have that done first. Redo that first. And 4th is, wag kayong masyadong magtipid. If you have to do it na. Kasi like me, hindi, pachi-pachi muna tayo because I'm saving money, ganon. In the long run, it cost me more to redo everything. So, that's it for now. And I hope that you learned a lot from this. See you in my next video.